How did we measure the performance of a 70-meter high retaining wall that supported a busy highway but had no monitoring equipment installed? Stay tuned to find out. This is IAM News, bringing you the very latest in infrastructure asset management. I'm Iphigenia, welcome. Today's top story is the resilience of the record-breaking 70-meter high reinforced soil walls supporting the Dubai-Fujairah freeway. These monster structures support sections of this busy highway as it passes through the rugged Hajar Mountains. While surveys were undertaken during and shortly after construction to verify their stability, no permanent monitoring equipment or sensors were installed. On their 10th birthday, stakeholders wanted to see how these vital assets were performing. Performing in situ surveys of such large structures would be expensive and require multiple return visits to detect any trends. Sensors could be installed, but it would take months or years to collect enough data. Moreover, working on an open freeway and on steep, mountainous terrain would have been very hazardous. So, how could all these problems be overcome? Satellite SAR data for the area over a 4-year retrospective period was obtained and in-SAR analysis undertaken. The satellite data was combined with in situ monitoring data collected during and after construction to give stakeholders a picture of what was going on within the reinforced soil walls. Thankfully, all signs pointed to the same conclusion: the wall was performing excellently. Thanks to this approach, performance trends were immediately obtainable without having to wait months to accumulate monitoring data. The data was collected in a safe and non-disruptive manner without needing to visit the site. So it looks like a big wall needed a big solution. You've been watching IAM News. Join us next time.